Good afternoon. Welcome to my video. And for you who don't know about me, I'm Audrina Hasif. Everyone can call me as Dana. And today I will discuss with you about multicultural literature, or we can say the issue in multicultural literature about the wrong Paris. From this movie, I found three cases of multicultural issue that happened in the wrong Paris movie. So the first, I have power relations, I have intersectionality, and I have hybridity. The first, power relations. Power relation in this movie began with the producer Tim act as a powerful boss who control and manage the girls to how they are looking and acting for the variety show program. This is represent how power relations have a big impact to continue this variety show. There is a scene, I remember there is a scene when Dawn have decided to leave variety show, but the producer stopped her intention with threats. If Dawn still wants to leave, she must to pay penalty as violate the variety show's contract. The producer also added cash prizes in every specific challenge if they are the winner of the specific challenge.
I want my stuff, I want my phone, and I want the hell out of here.
All right, hey, let's all just calm down. Why don't you just stay and give this experience a shot?
And you signed a contract.
You got to shoot me and all of these girls looking like fools. I'm going home.
You're obligated to stay on the show until you're cut by our leading man. Otherwise, you forfeit your appearance fee. Suck it up, Buttercup.
Hey,
The next case is intersectionality. Intersectionality in this movie is when Dawn is not just a woman who participates in variety show, but she is also a university candidate who has struggled with her economic. Before she's joining variety show, she must working hard as a servant at the restaurant in Texas, and she give her full salary to pay her grandmother's medical bills. This is explain how she have several identities at the same time that create her work experience to successfully achieve her dream as an art college student in Paris. The next we have hybridity. Hybridity in this movie is when Dawn must to choose whether she is continue her dream as a student in Paris or she is continue her life as an only local people in her hometown in Texas. She is falling in love on how beautiful Paris are, and it is a part of Orientalism where our mind suggests that the place as our biggest dream in this context, Paris is better than our city. Even if there is another Paris in our city, we still need to go to the place where our dream began. This describes how hybridity shaped her mind about the better place where we must live. Next, I will go to change our discussion focus to the cinematography in this movie. So the first, I remember that there is a scene where Dawn thinks about Paris. The colors in the screen are often very cool and feels like blues and bright whites. This makes her dream look perfect, clean and high class. And also, when she is in Paris, Texas, the camera uses golden hour lighting, which is this means everything that happen in the screen looks warm, orange, and soft. This change makes Texas feel like a cozy place welcoming home rather than the boring place she expected. And the movie also uses lighting contrast to separate the fake world of TV from the real world of nature, or we can say the actual scene behind the variety show process. The scenes on the honeypot set use what is called high K lighting. This is very bright, flat, and shadowless light that you see in reality shows or commercials. It makes everything look shiny and perfect, but it is very fake, or it is unusual things because of the lighting of the variety show. And the next, in contrast, the private moments between Dawn and Trey are filmed using low-key lighting or natural light. And in the last, the cinematography uses macro photography and tight focus to highlight Dawn's identity as an artist, since she sees the world differently. The camera frequently zooms in on textures that a normal person might ignore. And by using a shallow depth of field, or we can say where the background is blurry and only one small detail is sharp, the camera forces the audience to focus on the small beauties of the Texas. So I think that's all for the cinematography that I have been analyzed before, and this movie is very interesting to watch because there is a humor part in several scenes, and the movie is categorized as comedy movie because there is a lot of comedy scene beyond the movie. And yeah, it is shows us the movie shows us that we can see different things between the variety show moment and the actual things and the real things in our actual place. And I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and it is great to have you as my partner to discuss this movie in multicultural literature. So thank you for watching me and being my partner. See you later. Bye bye.